Hey everybody, this is a little video of my fishing gear. It's also July 4th, 2013. It's Independence Day. I got a quick video. It's about 5 o'clock. I'm not going to run through everything and name everything what they are. I'm kind of in a little bit of a hurry, so I'm just going to go through everything. This stuff right here, I'll get that in a minute, is everything I keep in my Jeep all year round. Or in the car until I got the Jeep. Now I keep it in there. But I got more stuff to show you in the house. But let's do this first. Okay, this is my tackle box. I got, I ain't gonna name everything, but I'm just gonna go ahead and through it. I got those. These still in the box. Strike King lure. I don't know. Bitsy. Oh, it's minnow. My bad. Sorry, guys. Medium diver. Some little grubs and bobbers and matches, little crabfish, crawfish, bug spray for the kids, some what the hell are these things? God damn it. Lizards. Huh, my bad. And I got little fake worms down there, matches like I said, swivels, thumper shads, weights. Then this I keep. Since I have kids, I keep Band-Aids, Q-tips, cleaning shit. Then I got my whatever the hell that is. And then here's the old lady's tackle box. Yes, you gotta have a girl that fucking fishes too. Just random stuff. I'm not gonna name them, like I said, I'm in a hurry. You got your jigs, you got your spinners, you got your bobbers, you got your weights, you got your hooks, got a flashlight, string, hooks, my knife, it's a multi-tool knife with pliers in it, gloves. Then I got another first aid with gauze and all that crap. Like I say, I'm just doing a rundown. I'm not naming everything because I'm in a hurry. 4th of July. I gotta go get fireworks. I gotta go pick up my kids. Alright. This is what I keep in the tackle box or the Jeep all the time. Alright, this is my my son's. Isn't it? You just got your random basic shit, your jigs, your flyers, hooks, little worms looking things, whatever they are. My whole family fishes, so except for the 1-year-old. She will soon. My son's net. This is my little 5-year-old toolbox slash tackle box. She thinks she's the shit because she has this. You got just regular shit I gave her on my tackle box. You can have Band-Aids, trying to be like me, spinners, lizards, hooks, crawfish, bobbers, etc. Now, move on to the little fishing poles. This son of a bitch right here, I don't know what it is. It's called Sunshine. This is kind of cool because it spreads out like that. It all collapses. It don't keep tension though. It's real loose, which is kind of stupid. My daughter's fishing pole broke, so for right now, until I go out and get another one, just letting her use my ice fishing pole, which I have 4 of the same kind. This dude right here, little bitty guy. I have 4 of these. You'll see them later in the video. Then one of these. See, this one right here is the one I use every now and then. It's the same one as my son's. What is it? What's it called? Zipco. They kind of suck. They really fucking suck. Then I got this open face over here. The Shakespeare open face. I found this one in the trash can. Only thing I found a problem with it is this right here, this metal bar right there. Is when you cast it and you reel it in, the bar don't flip back over, so you got to manually use your finger, but I ain't got a problem with that. So this is a quick little video. My wife's in the car. Let's go look at it real quick. Oh, these just came with the tackle boxes. Nothing big. I hate that buzzing shit, man. I don't know why they put them in cars. And then my wife's car right here, or my car, but my wife's fishing pole's in it. It's a Shakespeare lady fishing rod. This is what she uses to support breast cancer and everything. Alright, I'm going to go in the house and show you everything else in there. Alright guys, I'm back. I bought these boat seats right here at a yard sale. They spin and everything. $10. I got two of them, one right there, one over there. And here's my fishing poles. Some open faces, ugly sticks, some whatever the fuck that is. Another ugly stick. There's another boat seat. Another fishing pole. I'm ready to fish, guys. There's a little video of my fishing gear here. This is whatever. This is a Rhino glow tip. Ugly stick. Red Rhino. Sold, don't even get a fucking name. Mustang. Fucking Mustang. Some ugly sticks. I ain't gonna go over these, but everybody knows what they are. Some spinners. Some fucking plastic looking worms. Whatever the fuck they are. Some jigs. Salt tubes, I think. They got some popper somewhere, but I'm not sure. Some jigs, things. That's what these are. A bunch of shit. Oh look, old school fishing poles. Alright, baby? More fishing poles, ice fishing poles right here. Bobbers, lanterns, some minnow tanks, coolers, bass. Another fish pole up there. I'm trying to read the name. There's a Shakespeare or something. Boat trolley. More fishing poles. Superman fishing pole down there. Open faces. I don't know what all these are called. Slingshot right there. I don't know. So much shit. I got these up here. Walk around the bed. It's also my guest room. So when you're a guest, you're sleeping with fucking fishing shit. Look at these. Look at that fucking fish. Ain't she a beauty? And I got my cane pole up here. And singing fish. Some life jackets. And this fishing pole. But you've seen it before in the Jeep. This was a fly rod one. And I got some plastics, you know, got leeches, lizards, any kind of fucking plastic you want, really. I think them are called red tails. Not sure. Whatever. So I'm really ready to go fishing. This is when I plan on fishing, you know, gotta keep, just in case it gets cold, keep toes toasty, fucking hands in the winter. Then I got these tack, 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 4 right there. I got another one somewhere. Not really sure. Oh well. See, I got floaters, bobbers. I don't know what the hell this thing is. A lot of shit. I got so much shit I space it. I'll forget more shit than you guys will ever learn. So frogs. Got that open. Guess not. Huh. Nothing here. Here's a bunch of fucking hooks. I mean, y'all know what this shit is. I shouldn't have to explain it to you. If you don't know what it is, don't be watching. This is plain shank bronze. Crap. Maybe it's just a box. I don't know. Like I said, I got so much shit, I'll forget more shit than you guys will ever learn. Yeah, this is my little setup video of my fishing gear. This is what I come to when I'm actually making the trip. Not like I showed you in the Jeep. Ready to go. Thought I had some poppers, but oh yeah, right here. No, yeah. Right there. Fake worms. That's pumpkin color, I think. I don't know, this camera's kind of shitty, so. I got this thing. Yeah, so this is my short little video of my little fishing gear. Oh, I got these two. Hook on your belt, you know, just got a bobber in there, some jigs, some weights, frog, and you know, you got your pliers and shit and everything. But this is my little fishing video. String, you gotta have string. Lanterns, I don't know if I covered that. String. Blade fucking fish. Yeah, so I mean, I just got shit everywhere. If you ever want to spend the night, you know, it's a little messy right now, but hey, you're gonna look at fish shit. And I think that about wraps it. Oh, there's more string right here. Red. You know, pop bottle collection. Oh my god. Then anything in here? No. Remote. Oh, fake fish. Alright, this is my short little video of my little fishing gear. Thank you for watching.